Hello YouTube and welcome back to the Jacob First YouTube channel. Yesterday I got this alarm clock as a graduation gift and I got it from Tiffany, our neighbor from next door, and today we are going to unbox it, so please enjoy the video. So anyway, here's the So anyway, here's my alarm clock, and here's the manual on how to use it. And here's the charger. It says it requires AAA batteries, but I reckon you can use this cord too. And here's the snooze button, and here are the settings back here. And if you want to put batteries in here, you can put them in here. And here's a USB charging port that I can charge my phone with. And so here's the display screen. And so that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.